Good morning, everybody. Yes, I didn't go to bed till like midnight last night because I was watching a movie, and then Graham woke up, and then we just hung out some more. But I was watching American Werewolf in Paris. I haven't seen that movie in like 20 years. To me, it's not scary at all, but I love that movie. I think I don't even know if I had it on VHS because when I was young, I had tons of movies on VHS. I've always been a movie buff since, you know, since I can remember. Benjamin, hold on. It is currently 7:24. Charlotte and I pretty much woke up at the same time, around 6:30, so I just grabbed her. We just kind of laid in bed. Well, I just looked at my phone for a little bit, and then we're like, okay, let's go downstairs. And I'm like, I'm going to watch a movie. Just turned it on, and then Ben woke up. So we'll watch something different, but I just wanted to relax. My legs hurt again today because I'm just really working it. Today is weigh-in Saturday, so we'll see how much we went down today. It is supposed to thunderstorm today from like 2 to 8 really badly, which I'm kind of happy that it is because then Graham and I can get some stuff done. I told Graham today I want to do 4 things. I want to clean the countertops and the mirrors in all 3 bathrooms. I want to spend an hour or so getting stuff done in the basement. And then the 4th thing was
clean your desk.
Putting the laundry away. So we got those three-ish things that I want to get done today. So we'll see about that. And then I got to prepare for couponing tomorrow. But I hope to have a successful day. I've been really wanting to change my it's okay, my mailbox. Sorry, Charlotte's like, I want to be on camera. My mailbox, the stickers on it are from like when we first bought the house, so going on, you know, 7.5 years. They are peeling off, they're faded, they're so bad, it's ridiculous. So I actually was gonna start pulling them off, and I think I'm gonna pull them off today and then let that rainstorm just wash off the mailbox, and then I'll clean it afterwards. But I think I'm gonna do with my Cricut, I think I'm gonna print or cut out my address on it. I don't know, I just kind of want to do something like that because it's like, it's a black mailbox and it just looks like crap the way it is. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's my weekend project to do. And then I was still working on my friend's cup thing that she wants inside out, which is fine. But there is 32, from what I've narrowed it down so far, 32 colors in that thing. So it's like, and I'm trying to make the colors kind of go all together so I don't have to cut it out 32 times. So it's going to be a lot of work. I was debating if I should just do 1 character at a time. I don't know. But there is 6 characters and it's going to be a lot of work. I thought it was going to be easy peasy, you know, oh, this will be simple. No. The design, everything's so separate that it's just like, oh my gosh.
I gotta tell them to the...
What do you gotta tell them?
I gotta tell them there's a thunderstorm and you poop the toilet breaks. That'll happen.
Oh, the toilet breaks when it thunderstorms?
I'm thinking about that.
Okay. Okay, well, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna watch just a little bit of this movie and then feed the kids some breakfast. So we will catch you guys back when we find something more productive to do and we're all dressed and ready to do stuff. Shower, got dressed today. I just put my hair in a ponytail. Grandma's currently testing out all the fire detectors, getting them all changed out. We had some that expired a couple months ago and we just put like some temporary ones there. But now he's actually getting the correct ones that are supposed to be there. So then we'll have carbon and fire detectors on all 3 levels of the house. I just spent 45 minutes cleaning my bathroom. I was on my hands and knees cleaning to a T. I cleaned the mirrors, the countertops, I hand cleaned the floors. I did everything. I just wanted to get it done. I got the dishes going in the dishwasher right now. Sorry, Graham wasted some pop and I have to dump it. So I'm cleaning off the kitchen countertop right now. I need something to eat. I did have a bowl of breakfast. We did our weigh-in. I've lost like 2 pounds. He's lost like 2 pounds. We're even having Ben in on it. We're not really pushing it for him, but we're just kind of seeing how he weighs week to week with all this exercising that we're doing with walking and riding our bikes. So there is that, but I do feel like, you know, Graham's like, oh, I want to do, you know, productive stuff today, and I'm like, yeah, we're cleaning. I always have more motivation when he is here. I gotta clean my refrigerator, it's filthy, but that's just what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get something to eat, and I'm gonna clean the stainless steel appliances next. So that is what I'm gonna do. I would do like a speed cleaning thing for you guys, but it just takes too much time for me to like set it up and get going. So I'm just gonna keep going and show you guys the results. So if you guys can see how dirty my fridge is, man, I'm gonna clean it. So you guys, I am doing laundry right now, and I grabbed my fabric softener, right? And I started pouring it and nothing would come out. I have never seen this before, and this is a new bottle. I haven't had it that long. It's like goop, it's like glue. It's like a hard liquid. If you guys ever experience something like that, let me know. I have no idea why that did it. All my other bottles are just fine. So I'm gonna complain to those guys because it's like, that's disgusting. It's just like a paste. It's so gross. Like, you guys can see it. It doesn't even move. It's like glue.
Can I see?
Yeah, so thank God I have extra laundry detergent. Don't get it on the floor. Okay, go get a napkin and wipe that off, please.
No.
Gross. It won't even shut it. It's so gooey. Yuck. So, I'm watching Pitch Perfect 2. You only need one. No, you don't need 3 paper towels to pick up that. There you go. So, yeah. So we got that going on, laundry. I picked up a bunch. I cleaned all the windows. It is now currently raining. I gotta empty the dishwasher.
I picked up 18 toys.
Okay, thank you. Why don't you go clean your face? So I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna go back to cleaning.
You guys, it's called Let's Spot the Deer. She's looking right at us. I just looked in the back window and I see her. I don't see any more deer, but they might show up. It's not gonna focus on her. It's gonna, there it is.
Maybe there's
She's right there.
Maybe there's a family of deer.
I know, we're looking for the family of deer. It's been snowing, it's been raining like crazy, you guys. Like, what a crappy day. Crappy day.
So why you play baby bus?
But we left the house to go get something to eat. I had to go to Culver's, you guys. Like, I'm sorry. Funny thing is, Culver's is like, it's a restaurant that has like burgers. They call butter burgers, and I love it. It's like one of my favorite places. Graham and I have always loved Culver's since we started dating, and their line at their drive-thru is ridiculous during this whole. It was even popular before the whole virus started, but now, you know, there's people that can't go inside, so their drive-thru is about 3 times longer than what it used to be. They used to have like an obstacle course. They haven't followed it. So we were getting there, and I got Burger King chicken nuggets for Ben across the street, and I said, Graham, order curbside at Culver's. He's like, why? I'm like, because by the time we get done with Burger King and you order Culver's, our food will be ready. So we did, and we got our food. And Graham, what did you tell me? What did you say? He called me smart. Yeah, I always think ahead when it comes to food for my husband's belly. But yeah, oh, there's a bunny. I see a baby bunny. A baby bunny's on the walking trail. But yeah, I've been kind of sad, you guys. I've watched 3 movies today. Pitch Perfect 1, 2, and 3. But I've been doing stuff while I've been watching it. But yeah, it is currently 6:25. I'm gonna start putting the laundry away. Hopefully get that done, and we're gonna call it a night. But I'm happy. Graham still said he was gonna clean the bathroom, but he didn't. I cleaned the bathroom upstairs. Paris wants to get out, so yes. Hello everybody, it is 8:51. Charlotte is sleeping. Benjamin's getting ready for bed. I am working on my Walgreens breakdown for tomorrow. I'm hoping to have a successful day. I'm also hoping to leave the house early. Graham's like, I need you to be home at a certain time. I'm like, well, then you need to wake up so I can get going right away. So there is that. I know I'm getting ahead of myself, but there's a project I want to do with one of my cups, and I really want to do it. I really want to do it. I just got to get some supplies for it, but I'm going to be probably starting a Facebook page. You know, I think I'm just going to do Jen made it, I think is what's coming to me, but I could change my mind by the time that happens. But I'm going to start, you know, making a Facebook page, and then I'm starting to gonna take pictures of what I have done. So if you guys want something like that, you know what the prices are. And then if you guys ask me to make you something totally different that I don't have on display, I'll probably use that as an example so I can, you know, let people know on that. So I'm going to start working on that in the middle of the week. I got a bruise like right here. I don't know what happened, but it hurts right there. But yeah, so I feel like I had a successful day. We cleaned all the windows. I got the laundry done because I've been a couple days behind on that. I cleaned the kitchen, or the bathroom. I picked up a lot of stuff. We didn't get to go to the basement, but hopefully we can do it tomorrow. Otherwise Monday, because Monday Graham doesn't work. So yeah, I'm just sitting here chilling. But I hope to have a better day tomorrow, get some more stuff done. And I think I'm going to start like maybe, you know, planning certain days of stuff that I need to clean. Like I'll have it like, you know, this day I have to mop, this day I have to do laundry, and then like 3 days later do laundry. I don't know. I think I just need to kind of keep a schedule and stick to it. I'm debating on that, but I don't know, you guys. I have no idea. There's something else I was going to mention, but I totally forgot about that. But yeah, I'm going to continue doing what I want to do. I think I'm just going to order the stuff that I want. I have a lot of Amazon packages coming because I wanted to get special boxes. I got this rotating thing that I can do now. So I'm pretty excited for that. I just got to work on more organization with my crafts. But yes, I hope you guys have a lovely day. I will see you guys all later, and you have a nice night.